Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This is part two. I started thinking about, if you didn't watch part one, you'll be a little bit confused, but you really need to watch part one to see where I got to this effect. I'm going to make a copy of everything. So I'm going to hit the plus key and move it down. So this is a bunch of circles. I'm going to actually group them together. And then I'm going to go to effects and use the pointillizer, which I never use. But I'm not going to change anything, but look what it does. It makes the graphic different sizes. So we're going to use this one, and I'm going to nudge this one over first. And if you remember from the first, we can move don't ever move your two letters. Then I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to go to intersect, and it intersected it really pretty good. Now, to do this a little bit different than I did on the first one, instead of using this one, I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to grab this one and move it over. But I just want the inside. So I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool. I had it set on white earlier. I'm going to go blue. Well, evidently that might not work because I didn't convert it to an object. There we go. Now I can nudge it over, and I can go left click, and I'm going to go right click so I make sure I can see it. I'm actually going to zoom in. I need to be able to see it in front of the black. And now I'm going to intersect that and move that over, and look at that. Now, the original is not black anymore. So what we're going to do, we're just going to select it and make it black or whatever color you want. And while it's in this state, I'm going to go to Effects, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And then I think this is going to be a pretty cool effect. I'm way too far. Whenever you blur, it actually makes it transparent. We'll go about, well, let's go like right there, a little bit more. And now let's move that over and look at that effect. So it's exactly the same as the first one, except for now we've got different size dots. I haven't really ever used this too much. It's pretty cool. You can change the density, just play around with it. But that's a total different look, but it gets the same effect. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.